Okay, so we're going to have a look at this expression. It comes from your course pack, exercise set 7.7, page 533, and the problem number is problem 51. So we're going to use the distributive law to simplify this expression, which basically means dealing with the bracket and the 7.3 that's sitting outside that bracket. We want to create a simpler expression. Okay, so let me just move this out of the way for a minute. And I'd like to look at a somewhat simpler scenario. Let's suppose we knew what that variable x was. Suppose it was a 5. Well, then we could simplify this expression very easily using our order of operations rules, or sometimes referred to as BEDMAS. So 5 minus 2, the operation inside the bracket, gives us 3. Right? And then the 7.3 times 3 would give us 21.9. Pretty straightforward. Okay, let's put that to one side now and come back to the original equation. So the difference in our expression on problem 51 is we don't know what x is. Here it was pretty straightforward to use the order of operations rules to simplify this expression because we know how to calculate 5 minus 2. Here we don't know what x is, so we can't follow the very first step in our order of operations. We can't subtract x minus 2 because we don't know what x is. So that's where the distributive law comes in kind of handy, because it lets us simplify this expression without knowing the value of x. So we distribute, or multiply, the 7.3 that's sitting outside the bracket into the bracket. That looks like 7.3 times x minus 7.3 times 2. Okay, so 7.3 times x, 7.3 times 2. Right. That leaves us with 7.3x minus 14.6. And you'll see that there was a subtraction inside the bracket. It was x minus 2. That operation is unchanged. We're still subtracting all the way along. But now we have 7.3x minus 14.6 because we've used the distributive law to simplify the expression.